Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers! Get ready for something truly special as Clash Royale rolls out its brand new event in 2025. This isn't just another challenge. It introduces never-before-seen mechanics and exciting twists to the arena. It's designed to test your skills in completely new ways, so preparing yourself is key to enjoying this fresh experience. Let's explore how to dominate this exciting new addition. The heart of any new event lies in its unique mechanics. This 2025 event introduces several key changes you'll want to understand. For instance, you might find special elixir modifiers, unique troop boosts, or even entirely new spell interactions on the map. Always check the event details thoroughly before starting your matches, as knowing these nuances gives you a significant edge in battle. Building the right deck is paramount for conquering this new 2025 event. Standard ladder decks might not always be the best fit, so think about what cards truly benefit from the event's specific rules. For example, if there's an elixir bonus, perhaps a heavier deck could shine. Test different strategies and adjust your lineup based on your early game experiences. A well-constructed deck always makes a significant difference. Beyond your deck, your in-game tactics need to adapt to the new event's pace and unique challenges. Pay close attention to your opponent's elixir count and card rotation, especially with the new rules in play. Sometimes, a well-timed defense is more effective than an aggressive push, particularly if the event favors counter-attacking. Staying calm and making calculated decisions will drastically improve your win rate. Focus on smart plays. Participating in these new events isn't just about the challenge. It's an incredible opportunity to earn exclusive rewards and valuable in-game currency. Make sure to complete all the daily and weekly quests tied to the event, as they often provide significant bonuses. Don't forget to track your progress through the reward tiers, ensuring you collect everything available. Ultimately, enjoy the fresh gameplay and dominate the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.